Doctor, I have heard dental scaling weakens teeth. Doctor, I have heard when you get your scaling done often, it will scratch your enamel. Doctor, I have heard after scaling, my teeth can get sensitive, or my teeth will bleed, or gaps will appear. These are common questions my patients and common statements they make day in, day out, and I have been tired of hearing all of these. I had the same one of them tell me that last evening, so I thought, okay, let me shoot this video today and educate you guys. Hi, I'm Dr. Salman Khan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about, does dental scaling really damage your teeth? Without further ado, let's jump right in. What is scaling? Scaling is nothing but a professional cleaning, normally either done by hand instruments or by ultrasonic instruments, to remove your plaque and tartar accumulation all around your teeth. That's it. We do not drill your enamel, we do not scratch your enamel. It's not going to damage. The only thing that can go wrong is if it is done by an untrained professional, a dentist who is not experienced, a newbie. Then in that case, yes, you can get your gums damaged, and a little bit of tooth can get damaged. But if done by an experienced doctor in a safe environment, I get my own scaling done twice a year, and I recommend each and every patient of mine to get it done once every 6 months. And I have all my teeth, and so far we've had no problems, touch wood. I recommend that you do not skip scaling, because once you start skipping scaling, that's when the real problem stems. You come once in 3, 4 years, 5 years to your dental office, and then suddenly we discover that there are way too many other problems. Versus if you were to just come once in 6 months and get your scaling done, then it will be like a preventive dental checkup, and if there is something developing right then and there, your dentist can diagnose and make sure we can nip it in the bud. So here are the common myths or statements observed but repeatedly made by my patients, so I thought I will bust them one by one. Number one, scaling will scratch my enamel. No, absolutely not. We use scaler tips which create only vibration. So this vibration touches your tooth, that will loosen the plaque and calculus and tartar. It's not going to scratch your enamel. Number two, scaling causes bleeding of gums. Of course, if you're not going to keep your teeth clean and there's already inflammation, when you get your scaling done, only on inflamed teeth will you see bleeding gums. Once you get your scaling done, the bleeding is going to improve, and after that, gradually the bleeding is going to completely stop. Next is, scaling causes teeth to loosen and gums to loosen. Absolutely not. In fact, it's the contrary to popular belief, it's reverse. If you have loose teeth and if you have loose gums, if you do scaling regularly, it is going to improve the contact. It is going to improve the health of the gums and the teeth, and the loose teeth are going to become tighter. Finally, we also have saying that scaling will make gaps appear in the teeth. See, the gaps were already present in your teeth. The only thing what had happened was there was plaque deposition, there was tartar buildup in those gaps, and because of all the debris that was built up, you were not able to see those gaps or feel those gaps with your tongue. Once you did the scaling, now suddenly all the debris is out, all the unwanted things are out, all the calculus is out, and then you can feel the gaps. So when you start feeling the gaps, know that you already had them. It was just masked by debris, and it is completely all right to have the gaps. And if the gaps are a lot, you should think about getting an orthodontic treatment, but don't avoid scaling because you think it's going to bring gaps. No, it will not. And then finally, they say that when I do scaling, doctor, after that I'll develop sensitivity. Partly right, yes. So when you do a scaling, what happens is, because you have just cleaned every orifice, all the enamel, all the gums, all the tissue between the teeth and gums, what happens when you start drinking coffee, tea, anything very hot or anything very cold, because the teeth suddenly all the debris has gotten away, you will start experiencing scaling sensitivity. But there's nothing to worry, it is temporary. It will last maximum of 24 to 72 hours. After that it will completely settle down. But because you are going to have sensitivity, don't stop doing scaling. And this sensitivity, if you were to repeatedly do once in 6 months, what will happen is you will not face this sensitivity again and again, because we are not allowing that plaque to build up to that level, because of which your sensitivity will gradually complete. I hope I have answered all the myths, and I hope you don't have any such myth. If you found this video useful, do consider subscribing to my channel. Now that you know the reality of scaling, I hope this myth is settled once and for all. Do consider sharing this with any of your friends or family that says that scaling is dangerous for your dental health. And you know what, I just returned from the Invisalign APAC summit from Bangkok. So in my next video, I'm going to give you some mind-blowing updates, how much AI and dental technology is changed and how much we are progressing. Stay tuned for my next video. That's going to be vlog on what I did in APAC summit in Bangkok and what all the new technologies that are now going to be available with me and in India for your Invisalign treatment. Until then, see you, goodbye.